Well, hey, this is Jason Noel with Novel Hosting. Hey, today in this video we're going to go over how to set up FTP accounts for obviously your hosting as well as a HTML editor, and in this case we're going to use Dreamweaver. So one of the most common things you're going to want to do when you're actually using your cPanel account or your hosting account is you're going to want to set up FTP access, or file transfer protocol access, in order to update your website without having to come to the control panel, but by using a HTML editor. And so in this instance we'll be using Dreamweaver, and let's go ahead and set up our FTP account. So once you log into your control panel, on the right hand side you'll be in the category of file and then FTP accounts. So let's go ahead and set up a FTP account. So we're going to set up just a fictitious one here we're going to go just do my name, so Jason at denverroofing.contractors, and then I'll go ahead and enter in a password. Tells me it's weak, but that's all right. The home directory, make sure to catch this. What they do is they automatically take your login address and append it to the public HTML folder. So unless you're wanting to write code in the username folder that's empty that they're creating, you're going to want to remove that. Most likely when you're developing and writing code, you're going to want to either be in the public HTML folder, or you're going to want to remove that and just to be in the main folder. So I'm going to leave the public HTML just so we can see it with unlimited quota, and then click on create FTP account. Once this is done, obviously it'll tell you that it's created. And then we can go ahead and scroll down here. If we refresh the page, we can see, and you can't quite see it, so let me make this screen a little smaller. You can see that Jason at Denver Roofing Contractors is created with the public HTML, and we can change the password, change the quota, delete it, or configure the FTP client. So I'll go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. So now let's go ahead and take this. We're going to want the login name, and we're going to want to go right into Dreamweaver. Now within Dreamweaver, we have to set up the new FTP access for our hosting account. So we're going to go to so I'm in Dreamweaver CS6. We're going to go to Site and New Site, and then I'm going to do Denver Roofing. We're going to select our local site, and I usually like to keep everything with the same domain, so Denver, and select that for the local location, because they're actually going to save a local copy on your computer. And then click on servers on the upper left, and then server name, we're going to go Novel Hosting as the server that we're using. We're going to use FTP, and the FTP access is, or address is, going to be ftp.denverroofing.contractors. So obviously you're going to type in whatever your email address, you're going to type in whatever your website address is. So if it's, like novelhosting.com, you're going to type ftp dot whatever your domain name is. Okay. And then port 21 is the most common port. So then on the username, we're actually going to type in the login, which is what we just created on the FTP screen, which is Jason at denverroofing.contractors, and with the password, and then we're going to want to test it. So it says that we've connected successfully, so let's go ahead and save it. It shows up here the version control and advanced settings. I'm not even going to mess with that right now, but you can, and that'll be a different video that we do. So we're going to go ahead and click on save. And then inside of Dreamweaver, you'll see that it's automatically selected here. Go ahead and cancel that, but we're going to go ahead and click on connect. So what I wanted to show you was that within Denver Roofing Contractors, we have access to our folder structure that's in there. So if we were to go back to our cPanel hosting account and then go into File Manager, and we're in the public directory, you'll notice that it is the exact same CGI bin, great cruising photos, jasonwell.com, WP admin. These are all the exact same files that are on the hosting account. So that is how you set up FTP access from your cPanel account using Dreamweaver for your HTML editor. So, hey, if you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below on the YouTube channel. Definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel, or if you have any questions on website hosting, definitely feel free to check out novelhosting.com. Thanks for watching the video, and check back.